Welcome to Phonics Day 3. Today I wanted to review open and closed syllables and how to know if a word has open or closed syllables in it, starting with hello. So I want to sound it out first. L, hell, o, low, hello. The first step is to identify your vowels. So I know that E is a vowel and I know that O is a vowel. That's why I put a V for vowel underneath both of them. Then I want to connect them to make a bridge here. Then I want to look at what consonants are on my vowel bridge. So I see two L's in between. So I'm going to put C for consonant, C for consonant. L is a consonant. Any letter that's not a vowel is a consonant. So now, after this, I have a VCCV word here. So I know that I need to divide in between the two L's. Because when you have a VCCV word, you want to divide that word in between the two C's or two consonants. So now I'm going to look at each syllable separately. L, hell. I see that the E is short. I see that there's a consonant right after it, making it short, so I know that this is closed. I like to put a little closed mouth to identify it, but if you don't want to do that, you can put CL for closed. Then I'm looking at the second syllable in this word. O, low. Do you hear how the O is long there? That's because there's no vowel after it. So that means it's open. Whenever the vowel's the last sound in a word, it's open. So we have closed syllable here in hell and then open syllable here in low. Now let's look at banjo. B-an, ban, j-o, joe, banjo. I'm going to mark my vowels, make my bridge, put my two consonants in the middle because there's an N and a J, and then I'm going to divide right here in between the two C's. So first syllable, b-an, ban. It's short A, and then it's followed by a consonant within the same syllable. So I know that that's closed. And then j-o, joe. The O's saying, oh, its name, so I know that that's open, and there's no consonant after it. That's what's making it open, so I'm going to draw my little open mouth, or you could just put an O if you want. Okay, and the last word is open. That's funny, we're learning about open syllables. So I'm going to mark my vowels. Sometimes a vowel will come at the beginning of the word. That's okay. It still is the same process that you mark your vowels the same way. Then I'm going to make my bridge. I know that O and E are vowels. I'm going to make my bridge. In between, I only see one consonant right now, so I'm putting a C here for this word. So V, C, V. Typically, the line is going to go before the consonant there. Of course, there's always exceptions to the rule, but in this case, you're going to divide before the consonant. So we're looking at O. Well, that's easy. There's only an O there, and there's no consonants at all. So I know that it's open. It's saying O instead of ah. It's not open, right? It's open. Now the next syllable, p-n, pen. I hear a short E, and I see a consonant right there, so I know it's closed. So O is open, and then pen is closed. O, pen. Now I just want to review the sounds that we learned this week before we read some words with those sounds. So remember, ch is found at the end of a word which has a short vowel sound immediately followed by the ch sound. We don't hear the T at all. So when you see this in your reading, know that it makes a ch sound. We also learned about DGE at the end of a word this week, and it makes the J sound. DGE is found at the end of a word which has a short vowel sound immediately followed by the J sound. So you'll see this right after a vowel. Now we're going to sound out some words that have those two sounds in them. Bridge, bridge. Lodge, lodge. Ridge, ridge. Stitch, stitch. Etch, fetch. Itch, witch. Thank you for joining me today for phonics. That was our last lesson of the week, so we'll see you next week.